Hello, crafters. Welcome to another episode of Wood Burning. And on today's episode, we are going to be making Snoopy from Peanuts, just to kind of go with a Thanksgiving theme, and just because I've been wanting to make Snoopy for a while. So I do hope that you enjoyed today's episode, and if you do, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button. It really does help out with the algorithm and everything, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Alright, so it's been a couple of days and Snoopy is fully finished here. I put the sealer on. I would say overall this took me maybe like 30 minutes of work overall, so pretty easy project. Pretty cheap project too, because these discs are not that expensive. You can get a wood burning tool for like 15 bucks on Amazon. I actually have all those materials that I used on this in the description below if you want to check that out. But I think I did a pretty good job, and I've always liked Peanuts growing up, and Snoopy is one of my favorite characters. So I think I did a pretty good job on this one. I do have plans for other different versions of Snoopy that I'm going to make later on, but I just wanted to start out with something simple. So I do hope that you guys appreciate this one, and I do appreciate all your support, and I do hope that you guys like this, and if you do, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button. It really does help with the algorithm. And also, feel free to let me know what are the things you'd like to see me make in the comments. I'm going to try to get to all of them if I can. And then, as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.